The story of a beautiful girl with a bright future, a warning to this generation. There was once a girl who had everything going for her. She was beautiful, intelligent, and gifted in her studies. She carried herself with grace and dignity. Her classmates, juniors, and even her teachers admired her. Not just for her looks, but for her kind heart and godly character. Many young men secretly wished to make her their future wife, but she never paid attention to their admiration. Why? Because her heart belonged to God. She was popular, yes, but she remained humble. Her relationship with God was her top priority. She walked with integrity and purity, focusing on her dreams and studies. Life was going well for her. Then one day, a new boy joined the college. He was strikingly handsome, came from a wealthy family, and was also known for his intelligence and innocence. He noticed the beautiful girl, and like many others, was captivated by her charm. But unlike the others, he approached her. They became friends. Slowly, friendship turned into something more. They began dating. At first, everything seemed pure and sweet, but soon the boy started spending time with a group that drank, partied, and lived recklessly. He was influenced by them, and then he began to influence her. He urged her to join him. She resisted at first, remembering her walk with God, but little by little, she gave in. What started as one party became many. What began as hesitation turned into compromise. Her prayer life faded. Her purity was sacrificed. The girl who once walked with God and inspired others now found herself in a relationship built on lust and compromise. They became physically involved, and her world slowly began to fall apart. And then, as quickly as he came, the boy left. He had gotten what he wanted. She was devastated, heartbroken, ashamed, and broken in spirit. She dropped out of college, her dreams faded, her joy vanished. Her identity, once rooted in Christ, was now shattered. This is not just a sad story about a girl. This is a warning to you. When God sets you apart for something greater, the temptations will be stronger. Sometimes, the enemy doesn't come with horns. He comes as everything you ever wanted. Even the best person can become your greatest downfall if God is not your first love. The wilderness is part of your preparation. You must learn to say no to what looks good so you can say yes to what is God's best. If you compromise your calling for temporary pleasure, you will lose what truly matters. But if you stay at the feet of Jesus, He will give you life, a life filled with love, peace, purpose, and blessing. So guard your heart. Be watchful. Don't trade your destiny for a moment of pleasure. If this story spoke to you, like, share, and subscribe. And remember, God is not done with you. There's healing at the feet of Jesus.